Sure. Here's your script, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we dive into the latest smartphones with honest takes. Today, we are talking about the brand new 2025 Realme C30s, a phone that is all about delivering solid features at a price that will not break your wallet. Starting with the design, the Realme C30s keeps it clean and stylish. It comes with a sleek unibody that feels comfortable in the hand. The back panel has a subtle textured finish that not only looks premium but also helps with grip. It is available in two fresh colors, both vibrant yet elegant, perfect for users who want their phone to stand out without being too flashy. The frame is lightweight, making the phone easy to carry around for daily use. On the front, you get a large display that stretches from edge to edge with minimal bezels. The screen size offers a great balance for watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games. The water drop notch at the top houses the selfie camera, keeping the design simple and unobtrusive. Overall, the Realme C30s looks way more expensive than it actually is, which is always a big win in this segment. Now let us move into the features that make the C30s worth considering. First up is the display quality. Even though it targets budget users, the panel delivers bright and punchy colors with good viewing angles. It is not just about size here, it is about making sure everything looks sharp and lively whether you are indoors or outside under the sun. Performance is another area where Realme has focused well. The phone runs smoothly thanks to a processor that handles everyday tasks like browsing, messaging, and light gaming without any major hiccups. You can also multitask between apps without feeling frustrated by lags. It comes with enough RAM and storage options to suit different types of users, plus you can expand storage with a micro SD card if needed. Battery life is one of the highlights of the Realme C30s. It packs a big battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use. Whether you are binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling endlessly through TikTok, you will not have to worry about running for a charger halfway through the day. And when it is time to top up, charging is straightforward and efficient. Security is covered too, with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that is fast and reliable. It unlocks the phone in an instant, adding a layer of convenience and keeping your data safe. As for cameras, the Realme C30s is built to keep it simple and effective. The rear camera captures clear and detailed shots during the day, and it holds up well in indoor lighting too. It is perfect for quick snaps, social media posts, and even casual photography. The front camera delivers decent selfies, enough for video calls and keeping your Instagram updated. There are also AI enhancements that help optimize your shots without needing you to mess around with settings. Software-wise, the Realme C30s runs a clean and lightweight interface based on Android. It keeps things smooth and bloat-free, making sure you get a responsive experience without unnecessary apps slowing things down. Now, coming to the conclusion. The 2025 Realme C30s is clearly built for people who want value without giving up on style or essential features. It may not be the most powerful phone out there, but it nails the basics perfectly. You get a modern design, reliable performance, strong battery life, and a user-friendly experience at a budget-friendly price. If you are someone looking for a dependable daily driver that covers all your needs without burning a hole in your pocket, the Realme C30s should definitely be on your list. Realme has once again shown that you do not have to spend a fortune to get a phone that looks good, performs well, and lasts long. That wraps up today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Realme C30s and if you would consider buying it. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to FK iPhone, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Would you also like me to write a second, slightly more energetic or funny version depending on your usual style?